going, mate?
Good, thanks, man.
What's up, bro? You're gonna give us that's a very high-tech camera there, eh?
Yeah, just capturing all the
activity.
Yeah,
It's nice, eh?
yeah.
Yeah. I work at Kilcoy at a sawmill factory.
Oh yeah.
One afternoon coming home, I've never seen it before in my life. One afternoon coming home because it's all countryside.
Yeah.
And driving, maybe spitting here and there, but never much. Lightnings, brother, right? Just, and I'm very surprised that no rain, no heavy rain.
Yeah, it's even this is like this.
Cracking on the countryside. This is lovely, eh?
Like my girlfriend lives in Gold Coast. She says it's raining, but I can see from my apartment.
Hey, where are you? You India, Bala?
Hey?
Are you from India?
No, I'm background.
Pakistan.
You know, I'm ethnically from India.
I'm Torres Strait Islander.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
Nice to meet you, Michael.
Robo.
Hey, you go, Robo.
Good,
Hey.
Yeah, I'm
That's
from
cool.
ethnically I'm from India, but I'm an Australian citizen. So
Yeah,
I live here for
cool,
80
man.
years or so.
It's my birthday and
Happy birthday, man.
Yeah, thank you very much. I'm 34, but I'm 18 today. I got a sister. I said, no, nothing big, and they make cake and they drag me down here for a barbecue. Anyway, I seen you with your camera, and I thought, brother,
That's a
catching
good
the
one,
action, I just want to say that coming from Kilcoy, no rain, just thunder cracking, man. I mean, not thunder, lightning. Thunder's different. Thunder
makes noise.
Yeah. Lightning
like
crack.
light.
Yeah.
Well, that's interesting. Enjoy your birthday, man.
Yeah. Thank you, bro. All right.
Yeah.
Hope you get a good one. I might come check up on you later on, eh?
Yeah, no worries, man.
It's gonna piss down, eh?
Yeah, looks like. But it's pissing down at that side too, on the Gold Coast. So.
It's very amazing when you think about it. Rain, man, just the two waters hitting each other, and then a bit of electricity created, and then
it's interesting.
Yeah, it's very
Yeah, there you go. That's
Mother Nature at work. You have a good one, bro.
Yeah, all right. Have a good one.
I love